Hi, I'm KP Ramesh from Mihira Technology. We all know we are now in a pandemic situation. This pandemic has really shaken our thought, but I am not here to talk about the pandemic. I would like to talk about the life after pandemic. After giving a thought, we in Mihira Technology has decided to give opportunity to many people with the following skills are involved in the profession all over India, which is free. And of course, Mihira Technology is dealing with IT, softwares and websites. The first and the foremost part, we are looking for sales and marketing people. Anybody without requisite qualification having interest in sales can connect with us to earn at least rupees 25,000 per month. This is good for those people who are MBA, BBA, diploma in sales, marketing. Why? Even housewives and unemployed can join us. There is much more in this. Please go through this video. This is a very good opportunity for the salespeople. The second is, we would request IT organizations of small and medium sized in nature from all over India who are struggling to survive. They can join us as business associate. We will make your product and help you to achieve your dream. This will help you to curtail operation expense. The third part is, we are inviting website designers. You present your design in the web, and on selection by customers you will be properly rewarded. We are also looking for digital marketing professionals. We will provide you the content. On successful conversion you will be appropriately rewarded. All the above positions is for all over India. If you are interested for any of the above, please submit your area of interest by clicking the link given in the description below, which is fully free. Once you submit your area of interest, we will send you a document and even videos of your area of interest, which will be describing the subject in detail. After going through the content, you can take a decision whether you want to join with us or not. In case if this is not meant for you, please forward this to a needy, because at this time many people are looking for opportunities. Jai Hind, thank you.